Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can post travel and flight map on your Facebook. So here when I open up my Facebook app, if you want to create a post, you need to click on the top bar, what's on your mind. So here you need to click on check-in, and this is where you need to add the location where you are at the moment. For example, if I am in Pakistan, I will search for Pakistan and this will show up, you can see here, in Pakistan. So if you want to add a location where you are going, for that you need to click on the emoji icon and then go to activities. Here you need to click on traveling to. So here you will search for the location where you are going. If you are going to USA, you will search for USA, and then if I am going to New York, click on New York. So here on the top you will see that I am traveling to New York from Pakistan. Now you want to write a caption. I'm going to write it. I am going to USA. So once you are done, you need to click on post, and here you will see that a map has been shown, which is showing that I am going from Pakistan all the way to USA. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.